Headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, Givaudan Flavors is one of the oldest and largest flavor and fragrance houses in the world. Indeed, many natural flavors you currently enjoy likely come from Givaudan. One of the company's worldwide locations is located in East Hanover, New Jersey, where natural raw materials received in rail cars are reduced into uniform particle sizes required for efficient extraction of flavors. From dumping stations on the plant's second floor, ginger root, cassia bark, and cola nuts are gravity discharged into a Munson rotary knife cutter at the hourly rate of 6,000 pounds or 2,700 kilograms, with uniform particle sizes determined by the aperture size of the unit's 270-degree bed screen. The tough, hard roots, beans, and nuts place high demands on cutting blades, but Munson's efficient blade replacement minimizes downtime, requiring only 4 hours versus 1.5 days with a previous knife cutter. The previous cutter also required 3 times more power while outputting 2/3 less material than the Munson cutter. To reduce vanilla beans at an hourly rate of 3,000 pounds or 1,360 kilograms, the plant utilizes a Munson screen classifying cutter. Its helical rotor assembly contains dozens of staggered parallelogram-shaped cutters, each holding 2 tungsten carbide cutter inserts, which cut the beans against 2 stationary bed knives in a continuous spiral cutting and feeding manner, with uniform particle sizes determined by the aperture size of the unit's 270-degree bed screen. In addition to rotary knife cutters and screen classifying cutters, Munson manufactures 6 other types of size reduction equipment and 7 types of mixing and blending equipment for bulk solid materials, including blends requiring liquid additions. To solve your size reduction, mixing, or blending problem with the highest possible efficiency, visit munsonmachinery.com.